There's no limit to exploration. That's why Segway Power Sports begins this brand new journey with you. With 430 patents specific to power sports, we support your goals to explore 92 million square miles of land. With 13,000 power sports events, we protect your rights to cross mountains and rivers. With 30,000 global marketing ventures, we will provide the highest quality of service and product support. In 1999, American inventor Dean Kamen founded Segway Limited Liability Company. In the same year, President Bill Clinton made Segway founder Dean Kamen. In 2004, Segway's concept, World ATV prototype, is launched. In 2015, Segway and iFun incorporated complete strategic combination. In 2018, Segway Power Sports is founded. In 2019, Segway released the Power Sports products at EICMA. In 2020, Segway Nightbot officially began its initial public offering in SSE Star Market. In 2018, Nightbot began developing new products with a spirit of professional exploration and set up a wholly owned subsidiary, Segway Technology Company Limited, to